In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background on BlueStacks. First, open BlueStacks. You will see the familiar interface of the emulator, which is designed to simulate an Android environment on your PC. This step is crucial because it serves as the foundation for all the customization you will perform. You may notice the default background, which lacks personalization. By changing the background, you can create a more enjoyable and personalized user experience. Once you are in BlueStacks, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, open the Google Play Store. This action will take you to the marketplace where you can find a variety of apps. The Google Play Store is essential for downloading new applications, including wallpaper apps that will help you customize your background. You'll see a search bar at the top of the screen, which is where you will type in the name of the app you want. Once you access the Play Store, you will have a wealth of options at your fingertips, preparing you for the next part of the process. From there, search for Google Wallpapers or another wallpaper app. Enter the name into the search bar and hit enter. This step allows you to find a wallpaper app that suits your needs. Google Wallpapers is a popular choice, but there are many others available. The variety of options ensures that you can find something that fits your style. Browsing through the available apps gives you the freedom to select one that resonates with you. Once you have found the app you want, you're just about ready to install it. Now click Install. This action will initiate the download and installation process of the wallpaper app you selected. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Once the app is installed, you will receive a notification confirming the installation. This confirmation assures you that the app is now part of your BlueStacks environment and ready for use. With the installation complete, you can now explore the wallpaper options that the app provides. After that, open the wallpaper app. You will be greeted with various options, including categories of wallpapers and possibly a collection of featured images. This is where the fun begins. You can browse through stunning visuals that could enhance your BlueStacks experience. By selecting a captivating wallpaper, you can create a more inviting atmosphere while using your apps. Take your time to explore the options. You want to choose something that truly represents your style. Next up, browse or select a wallpaper from your PC or the apps collection. You will see different categories such as nature, abstract, or minimalist designs. This is an exciting part of the process, as you can choose something that speaks to you. If you have images stored on your PC, many wallpaper apps allow you to upload them directly. This flexibility is important because it ensures you can personalize your background to your heart's content. Once you find a wallpaper you love, it is time to move on to the final steps. Tap Set Wallpaper. This action will prompt you with options regarding where you want to set the wallpaper. You may see options for the home screen or even the lock screen depending on the app. Choosing the correct option is important because it determines where your new wallpaper will appear. By selecting the home screen, you ensure that every time you open BlueStacks, you are greeted with your chosen background. This little step adds a personal touch to your experience and makes using the emulator a joy. Finally, choose home screen when prompted. This will finalize your selection and update your background. Your BlueStacks home screen background will now update to the selected wallpaper if supported by the wallpaper app. This transformation is visually satisfying and makes your BlueStacks environment feel more like your own. Remember, there is currently no native setting in BlueStacks 5 to change the home screen wallpaper directly. BlueStacks recommends using third-party wallpaper apps for this purpose. Enjoy your newly customized background as you explore the emulator.